Hey guys, Lev here from Movement Minded. With the state of the world today, everybody's working from home and not many people have proper workstations, meaning they don't have a desk, they don't have an office chair. A lot of us are working on our dining room tables, and today we're gonna set this dining room table up with proper ergonomics to make sure that you can work and be productive and not have aches and pains in your neck, your back, and your hips, okay? So I'm using my laptop here. I'm sure a lot of us have laptops that we can use, and my phone. Pretty common setup, okay? So if I'm working like this for a long period of time and my forearms are on the table and my shoulders are shrugged a little bit, I'm looking forward at the screen, a lot of times what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get some neck pain, probably gonna get some low back discomfort, especially if you have a high dining room table, just like this table. It's kind of high, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to put our feet onto something. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to get our trusty keyboard and laptop riser. I'm gonna place the laptop on the laptop riser. I'm gonna just take my hand, extend it through my nose, and make sure that the laptop is around an arm's length away and looking right at me. Take my keyboard and put it right here, and my mouse. So while this isn't the most efficient ergonomic position, because I don't really have armrests, and I know that over a long period of time of working, I am gonna start kind of leaning forward, this is a great place to start. It's much better than when we started with a laptop just on the table, okay? You wanna bring the laptop as close to you as possible, and you wanna sit back in the chair as much as you can. You wanna maintain 1 to 2 inches between your knee and the seat pan. So you wanna maintain some space there. Make sure your feet, again, are on something, okay? And the phone. So with our phones, a lot of times, people leave them on the table, and as you can tell from our other videos, we really don't like that because it makes you kind of look down a lot. So what I recommend is people just kind of prop them up right in front of the screen, just like that. And if you need it, the information is right there. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.